stump to cast out my bait with my pole. A 3-horse on a flat bottom boat. Man, it's hot and the water's really low. Fish ain't gonna bite it, 'cause alligator cars on the road. He's on the road. On the day when I was born, Mama stuck my feet in the mud so that her little boy would find his way back to his home. Now I live far away, and every time I hear the rain, well, I can feel the waters rise and fall on the Washita. Houseboats lined up in a row, all the kids swinging from a rope. Now Daddy's run the trot line, well, Mama heats the grease up on the stove. Yeah, on the stove. On the day when I was born, Mama stuck my feet in the mud so that her little boy would find his way back to his home. Now I live far away, and every time I hear the rain, well, I can feel the waters rise and fall on the Washita. And on the Washita, oh yeah. How that river runs deep, it flows through my veins. And though I live far away, I'll return to that river to live forever someday.